So one of the specialties we have at Social Work Solutions Canada is treating trauma, and one of our preferred methods for that is accelerated resolution therapy, or ART, and several of our therapists here are trained in this method. When we experience overwhelming or traumatic events in our life, that gets trapped and stored in our body and nervous systems and can show up in lots of different ways. So it could look like really difficult and strong emotions. It can be physical symptoms such as digestive issues, a racing heart. It impacts our sleep. We may have flashbacks and nightmares. Or at the opposite end of the spectrum, we could feel completely numb and checked out and unable to feel emotion. When we use ART, we revisit small portions of the traumatic memory at a time, and then we calm down the body's response in relation to that portion of the memory. And we go back and forth through this process until the memory itself is no longer causing us distress. To facilitate this back and forth process, we use a variety of methods. Traditionally, that has usually been eye movements, and so in session you might be following my hand back and forth. We could also use tactile means, so tapping or hand pulsars, or we may even use an auditory tone from left to right to help move things along. If you're struggling with traumatic memories, perhaps this method might be helpful for you. Feel free to reach out to our office or book a free online consult, and I'd be happy to discuss this with you further.